Finally, after a long wait, the work on Pink Line's last remaining package is now gaining pace. On 1st April 2021, the ITD cementation have finally completed the TBM launching shaft at the Venkateshpura metro station of the Namma Metro Pink Line. Through this shaft, the ITD cementation will deploy two TBMs, namely Tunga and Bhadra, to build the underground tunnels on a 4.6 km underground section of Pink Line from Taneri Road to Nagavara North Ramp. As per tunneling plan, the ITD cementation will make both upline and downline tunnels from Venkateshpura launching shaft to Taneri Road metro station. From Taneri Road, both TBMs will bring back to Venkateshpura shaft to make both up and downline tunnels all the way to Nagavara North Ramp while punching through Kadugundanahalli and Nagavara metro station. While looking at the ramp, we think that in future, the Pink Line will be further extend from Nagavara to either Kempegowda International Airport or to the Aerospace Park. This 4.5 km last remaining underground section of the Pink Line was the last one to be touched due to extreme land acquisition issues. But finally on August 2020, the ITD cementation have started construction work on a guide wall, and in December 2020, they have started control blasting for the excavation of the underground stations. By the time we upload this video, both TBM Tunga and TBM Bhadra have already dispatched from the Arankanets plant in Tamil Nadu, and it will reach Venkateshpura launching shaft within 2 days. And if things go well, then the tunneling work will start within 2 weeks and it will be complete by the end of 2023. On the other hand, the things are going pretty well for Kolkata Metro. Few days ago, the Rail Vikas Nigam Limited or RVNL has opened financial bids for the electrification works on a 15 km long line 3 from Joka to Esplanade and a 32 km long line 6 from New Garia to Airport. Sources says that Larsen & Toubro and a joint venture of KEC and Siemens participate in the bidding. And after opening the financial bids, the KEC Siemens joint venture was revealed as the lowest bidder at a cost of 241 crores for line 3 and 295 crores for line 6. Through this tender, the KEC Siemens joint venture will now supply, install and commission the 750 volts DC third rail system as well as the 33 kV substations on a 10.2 km section of line 3 from Joka to Mominpur and a 12 km section of line 6 from Bidhannagar to Airport. The KEC Siemens joint venture will have a time of at least 27 months to complete. After that, the trains will able to run on a viaduct through a 750 volts DC third rail system. In case of a deadline, the line 3 will be open in 3 phases. In first phase, the line 3 will be open from Joka to Taratala covering 7 km and from Taratala to Mominpur in phase 2 covering 3 km and then from Mominpur to Esplanade in phase 3 covering 5 km. For line 6, it will also be open in 3 phases. The line 6 will be open from New Garia to Rupi in first phase and then from Rupi to Sector 5 in phase 2 and then from Sector 5 to Airport in phase 3. And if things go well, then the first section of both line 3 and line 6 will be inaugurated by mid-2023. But considering it's Kolkata Metro, it may be inaugurated not before 2025. Subscribe to the Global Transits to get news updates on rapid transit system all across the world. And that's it for all. Goodbye and have a nice day.